Hi, today we're going to read a book called Ocean. It is written by Susan Canaris and Pamela Chunko. Ocean. This is the ocean. 3/4 of our planet is covered by 4 oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. Then there's the Atlantic, and the Indian, and the Arctic Oceans. We depend on these oceans for so many things that life could not exist without them. The ocean. The ocean has water. Oceans are made up of salt water, but we get all of our water from them. Ocean water evaporates. It loses its heavy salts and rises up into the air to form clouds. And then it falls back down onto Earth as rain, which is the freshest water that we drink. The ocean has waves. Waves are formed by several forces. We see waves that the wind makes when it blows across the water, but much of the movement of the water is from the tides that are caused by the moon's gravitational pull. The ocean has plants. Plants and animals are part of the vast marine life of the oceans. Many plants thrive under the water, just as others do on land, providing food and shelter for many species. The dissolved oxygen that plants produce is what the underwater creatures breathe. And animals. The mammals that breathe air also call the ocean their home. Some of the best known are porpoises, dolphins, and whales. The ocean has rocks. Long ago, people thought that the bottom of the ocean was flat and made out of sand. But now we know that the ocean floor is like the land, with rocks, mountains, valleys, and high cliffs. And sand. The sand that we see on the beaches is created by the surf, constantly pounding rocks into tiny bits. The ocean has coral. In some parts of the ocean, there are huge beds of coral that have formed over many years. Coral is made of the skeletons of tiny ocean organisms that build up on top of each other. It forms the architecture that plants grow on and that many forms of sea life use for homes and hiding places. And fish. Fish far outnumber any other kind of marine life in the ocean. There are over 20,000 species. They are usually colored to match the waters that they live in, and their shapes are perfect for their lives of swimming. The ocean has shells. Shells belong to the order of the mollusca. They are the outside coverings of the soft-bodied creatures that live inside. Fossils, too, sometimes. Fossils are the impressions of plants and animals in clay or other soft materials that have become rock over millions of years. Fossils help us know what life is in the ocean was like a long, long ago. Let's see. And the ocean has hidden treasure. The ocean has many secrets. The remains of many ships that sank in storms or in battles rest at the bottom of the ocean. Part of the history of our civilizations lie, waiting to be discovered. Perhaps there is even hidden treasure in the ocean. And that is all. The end. I hope you enjoyed all that useful information.